In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly share a Mailchimp template between accounts. This is a handy skill for those of you managing multiple email campaigns or working collaboratively with others. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step to ensure you can efficiently share templates with ease. First, what you'll want to do is head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, log into your account as you normally would. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one because you'll need access to go any further. After logging in, you'll find yourself on Mailchimp's main dashboard. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. From this menu, click on the option labeled Contents. This section is where all your campaigns and templates are stored. Once you're in the Contents section, you'll want to select Email Templates. This action will bring up a list of all the email designs you've created and saved in your account. Scroll through your list of templates and find the one you wish to share. If you have a lot of templates stored, you might have a bit of scrolling to do, but take your time to locate the correct template. Once found, look for a drop-down arrow located next to the template. Clicking on this arrow will reveal additional options pertaining to that specific template. One of these options will be titled Share. Select this option, and now you're ready to decide on your sharing method. Mailchimp offers two primary ways to share your template, by email or by a URL. If you choose to share by email, you'll need to enter the email address or addresses of the person or team you want to share the template with. Double check these details to ensure accuracy, as typos might mean your template doesn't reach the intended recipient. After entering the necessary information, click Share Template. The recipients will then receive an email with access to the template, making it very convenient for them to start using it immediately. Alternatively, if you prefer sharing by URL, simply copy the unique URL provided by Mailchimp. This link can be pasted into an email, a chat message, or any other communication platform you're using to correspond with your team or client. Simply share this URL with the intended recipient, and they'll be able to open the template directly. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can share your Mailchimp templates swiftly and seamlessly. Whether by email or URL, these methods ensure that your templates can be accessed and utilized by others, keeping your project smooth and collaborative. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.